The original Kiss knife was designed by legendary knife designer Ed Big Daddy Kiss Halligan. The Kiss moniker stands for Keep It Super Simple. The knife is a simple two-piece construction, blade and frame. A Tonto-inspired blade with a chisel point grind on the front and flat on the back seats the cutting edge against the handle when the folding knife is closed and locked. This light-duty knife is designed to slide into the pocket and be used for everyday cutting and utility tasks. The knife also features a pocket clip that can be used as a money clip. The Kiss knife was well received in its 1998 release, winning the Blade Magazine Imported Knife of the Year award, a fitting debut for this timeless and inspired original design.
The Buck Knives 112 Slim Select is a colorful everyday carry knife based on an American classic. This take on the 112 Ranger has recognizable features, but with an updated and modern look. The decreased weight, slim profile, and deep carry pocket clip makes this knife suitable for everyday carry. Measuring 3 inches, the 420HC stainless steel clip point blade has a tumbled finish, an easy one-handed opening thumb stud, and locks back for safety. The heavy bolster and frame of the classic 112 Ranger have been replaced with a glass-filled nylon handle to assure the rigidity and quality you expect from Buck. It's available in 4 colors: black, blue, red, and chartreuse, and weighs only 2.5 ounces. Made in Post Falls, Idaho, guaranteed forever, the Buck Knives 112 Slim Select.
The Launch 10, Model 7350, a Kershaw Originals design. The Launch 10 measures 5.2 inches in length and weighs only 1.7 ounces. As with the other Launch models, the Launch 10 is a push-button automatic. The handle is made of 6061 T6 aluminum with a gray anodized finish and a lanyard hole. The blade is 1.8 inches and made of CPM 154 steel with a stone-washed finish. It has a reversible tip-up deep carry pocket clip. To keep the blade securely open, it utilizes a push-button lock release.
This is the Key Note from Gerber. No knife can do it all, but this one comes close. Deployment of the dual-use blade is initiated with the starter tab and finished with your thumb or nail nick. The blade is stout, giving you both a scraping and a cutting edge. And you get all that in a compact format you can wear on a belt, in a pocket, or on a keychain. It's available in 2 colors. Out on the town or around the house, the Key Note can multitask like no other.
Our incredibly popular line of value folders takes a new turn with the Astute. Although it shares the same basic construction and materials as its brethren, it features a sleeker, more stylish design that is amazingly pocket-friendly. The long, gently curved cutting edge and full flat grind of its 8CR13 MOV stainless steel blade give it impressive cutting power and point utility. Its ergonomic open-backed handle features full stainless steel liners for strength and textured G10 scales to ensure a secure, non-slip grip. The sturdy liner lock mechanism locks the blade securely when in use, and a 4-position pocket clip and lined lanyard hole allow all possible carry preferences. Simply put, the Astute sets a new standard in affordable Spyderco style.